Hello student, today we will discuss one more question for case study for subject maths. Topic for this question is arithmetic progression. Here in this question, Manpreet Kaur is a national record holder for women in shot put discipline. He threw 18.86 meter at the Asian or Grand Prix in 2017 is the maximum distance for an Indian female athlete, keeping her as role model Sanjita, which is one more athlete. She keeps Manpreet as her role model. Sanjita is determined to earn gold in Olympic one day. See, look at the performance of Sanjita. When she starts her practice, her throw reached only 7.56 meter. Being an athlete in school, she regularly practiced both in morning and evening and was able to improve the distance by 9 centimeter every week. During a special camp for 15 days, she started 40 throws and every day keep increasing the number of throw by 12 to achieve this remarkable progress. Now, depending on this given data, we have to solve these questions. How many throws did Sanchita practiced on 11th day of camp? See, the number of throws on the first day are 40 and she is increasing the number by 12 every day. So for this question, A is given as 40 and D is 12 and we have to find the number of throws on 11th day. Means we have to find A11, which is A plus 10D. Here A is 40, D is 10, so 40 plus 12 into 10, that is 160. So the number of throws Sanchita practiced on 11th day of the camp is 160. Now, so what would be the Sanchita's throw distance at the end of 6 weeks? For finding this, we have A as 7.56 meter and D as 9 centimeter, which is 0.09 meter. So A6 is A plus 5D, that is 7.56 plus 5 into 0.09. It will give us 8.01. So the distance covered at the end of 6 weeks will be 8.01 meter. So next part is when she will be able to achieve a throw of 11.16 meter. So for finding this, we have to look at the part. Here A is again 7.56 meter, D is 9 centimeter, that is 0.09 meter. AN is given as 11.16 meter. N is the number of week. For finding N, we have to use this formula for nth term of AP, that is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substituting value of AN, A and D, we got the N minus 1 as 40. So N will become 41 weeks. So after 41 weeks, she will be able to cover a distance of 11.16 meter. So for the third part, how many throws did she during the entire camp of 15 days? For finding this part, look at this statement. She started with 40 throws a day and every day she kept on increasing the number of throws by 12. So here A is given as 40, D is given as 12. We have to find out S15 because we have to find that how many throws did she during the entire camp of 15 days. For finding S15, we have to use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula for sum of n terms of AP. Here n is 15, A is 40 and D is 12. Substituting all these values and calculating in this way, we get S15 as 18,1860 through 1,860 throws. Thank you.